Welcome back, everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to harness the full potential of forms in Jira Service Management. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how to create, link, and use forms, so your team can collect clearer information from customers, help requests flow smoothly, and resolve issues even faster. Let's dive right into how administrators can create and manage forms. If you're a Jira or Service Project admin, you're the one in charge of setting up forms for your team. First, head over to your service project and look for Project Settings in the left sidebar. This is your command center for customizing the project. Take a moment here. There's a lot of powerful stuff in this menu, and Forms is one of the most useful tools you'll find. Inside Project Settings, look for the Forms section, which sits under Request Management. Think of this as where you'll store all the templates and custom forms your team uses to interact with customers or internal users. To create a new form, just click Create Form. Here you get a really handy choice. You can start completely from scratch or pick from over 200 ready-made templates. If you're new to forms, don't hesitate to try a template. They're designed for common scenarios like IT requests, incident tracking, or HR onboarding and can save you a ton of time. Now for the fun part, building your form. The drag-and-drop builder is super intuitive. You just pull in fields like text boxes, drop-down sections, or even detailed descriptions. Take your time to organize the form logically, grouping related fields together so it's easy for customers to follow. A little structure goes a long way here. And if you want to make things extra smart, you can add conditional logic. This means certain fields or sections will only appear based on previous answers. For example, if someone selects hardware issue, you can have additional questions pop up automatically that are relevant only to hardware. That way, forms stay neat and relevant, no confusing fields for your users to wade through. Anytime you're building, don't forget about the preview button. This lets you see exactly how your form will look and behave before anyone else gets to use it. It's always good to double-check for anything confusing or to make sure conditional sections work as expected. If something looks off, you can tweak and preview as much as you need. No pressure, just test until it's right. Once you've got your form set up, the final step for admins is linking it to a request type. Go to Request Types under Request Management and pick the relevant request. Let's say Request IT Access, for example. At the bottom, you'll see the Attach Form option. Just select your new form and that's it. Now, customers filling in that type of request will automatically get your tailored form. So what does this look like for customers? When someone goes to raise a request in the portal, if there's an attached form, its fields will appear as part of the very first thing they see. In fact, the form can completely replace or add to the default Jira fields like summary and description. This is where forms shine. By collecting the exact information you need up front, you cut out all those frustrating back-and-forth emails. Customers provide everything you need first time, which helps your team jump straight to resolving their issue. And after submitting the request, customers can revisit their form data anytime under the Forms section of their request, a great way to avoid confusion about what they submitted. On the agent side, things are just as easy. When you open an issue, any forms the customer filled in are right there in the Issue Details panel. Agents can review all answers in context, so you're never hunting for missing info. Plus, agents can add their own internal-only forms to an issue at any time, like a post-incident review after service outage. Just go to the Quick Add toolbar, hit Attach Form, and pick the one you need. By default, these internal forms stay private, but you can choose to share them with the customer if you want more collaboration. So that's a quick but thorough look at how forms streamline work for admins, customers, and agents in Jira Service Management. If you found this step-by-step guide helpful, please give it a like and feel free to drop any questions in the comments. I love helping out. Don't forget to subscribe for more Jira tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.